back to another video. For this occasion, I am going to do a fall inspired makeup. I already did my foundation and my eyebrows, so I'm going to do my shadow, my liner, and the rest of my face. If you're interested in watching more content like this, you know what to do. Make sure to be subscribed and like this video. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram so you can see a little more of my life. So yeah, let me stop rambling and let's start doing our makeup. So like I said, I only had my foundation on, so I wanted to add a little bit of concealer. And I blend that with my beauty sponge. After that, I set it with a face powder and baked a little bit under my eyes with some loose powder. And then I proceeded to start putting like an orangey color on my crease and blend it real well. After that, I added more like a chocolate brown on the outer corners and also blended it. I wanted this look to be really warm and really like brownish. So that's why I'm layering all the brown. Then on my actual eyelid, I added like a greenish copper shimmery eyeshadow. And I added this one just tapping on my eyelid. That way I get the most pigment of the shadow. And blend. There's a lot of blending in this look. I then added like a light shade in my brow bone to add some light. And a pop of gold in my inner corner. I really like doing this. More blending. I then did my eyeliner. I added a little wing also, because why not? Let me know if you want me to make a video on how I do my wing eyeliner, like a more in-depth video. And then I did a little bit of contouring and bronzing my face. And then I dust the powder off. And add a blush. I then did my liner. I used Urban Decay's liner, I think this is. I love this one. And blended a little bit of that brown shadow underneath my eyeline. I feel like this ties the whole look together. And added the gold again. Then it's time for a highlight. No makeup look is complete without some highlight. So shine to the gods. I'm going to do lashes, but I like to prep my actual lashes with some mascara. And then I line my lips and apply my lipstick. Alrighty, so this is the look I was able to come up with. I just wanted to do something like really warm. If you hear anything out there, they're doing the landscaping and they do it every time I put my daughter to nap. So like I was saying, this is the look I was able to come up with. I really wanted like a dark look with some gold in it. It's super easy to make. Make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.